And switch your porch lights to purple today. That's because October is National Domestic Violence Awareness Month. San Antonio Metro Health is encouraging the community to participate in the Purple Porch Initiative. Assistant Director Marjorie White is joining us now to share how you can support the month-long event. You may have noticed wearing the purple pen this morning. Marjorie, good morning. We're so glad you're here, and tell us why this initiative is so important to San Antonio and Bexar County.
Absolutely. Good morning, and thank you so much for the opportunity. So the goal of the Purple Porch Initiative is to increase awareness and support to end domestic violence. We're so excited as the city to partner with Bexar County, University Health, and the Collaborative Commission on Domestic Violence to promote Purple Porch SA throughout the month of October, which is designated as Domestic Violence Awareness Month. This is important to our city because it is a public health concern. Statistics show that 1 in 3 women experience domestic violence in the state of Texas, and San Antonio is also one of the leading cities where this is quite prevalent. And so it's definitely a need, and too often these sort of cases go underreported because survivors are just fearful of retaliation, but we want them to know that we stand in support to end this domestic violence, as well as if they're in need, that there are resources out there for them.
And Marjorie, talk about that because unfortunately, many of us do know someone that is struggling through that situation right now. But how can people find help? How can they reach out to you to try to find some help?
Absolutely. So the easiest way is possibly 211. When someone dials 211, they'll be able to connect them to resources. However, if you are in immediate need, always dial 911. The City of San Antonio Metropolitan Health District does work closely with law enforcement, both SAPD and Bexar County Sheriffs, to ensure that we're able to provide a rapid response to help families and individuals stabilize safely.
And Marjorie, we are bringing awareness to domestic violence prevention this month, but this is a year-long initiative. It's always an important topic here in San Antonio to find help for people that need it. Talk about how this works throughout the year, how public health is involved.
Public health is involved year-round. As I said, although October is designated as Domestic Violence Awareness Month, it's important that we keep this at the forefront of a priority, which the City of San Antonio and many others have throughout the year. We know that DV happens throughout the year, and there are peak times, especially around holiday seasons, and with the pandemic, there's also been an increase in domestic violence. So although October is just 1 month, please know that we consider this a top priority for our community.
And Marjorie, talk about, we have a little bit of time left, but we know we're going to turn our porch lights to purple. We're going to put some purple lights out on our porch. And what else can we do?
Absolutely. Light up this community. Purple wreaths on your doors, businesses, residents. Please light up your homes with purple. And that just shows as a community how we're standing against this. And as you decorate, post your pictures on your social media website using the hashtag #PurplePorchSA. And that shows how we're united in against this issue.
United as one. That's so true, Marjorie. And once again, hashtag #PurplePorchSA. We want to see your pictures here at KENS 5 too. Send those to us, how we're supporting this so important initiative this month. Marjorie, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for the opportunity. Have a great day.